Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can bypass FRP for Itel P36. If you want to hard reset, there is another video, you can check it out in other videos so that you can do it very well without using PC. You select the language which you want your phone to be set in. You click on skip the network, but it cannot skip the network if it's locked on FRP. So here you click on add new networks, click on this and select the keyboard settings, then you click on add a keyboard, you select a language which is having an arrow in front of it. Click on 3 buttons, then you click on help and feedback. You wait for it to respond. Then here you look where it's showing to add Android switch accessibility. When you see it, you click on that. Then you will see this interface. After seeing it, you click on the share icon, then you click on the Gmail. Because we want to remove the FRP, it's the Gmail account lock. Then you add a Gmail account, random others. You type G as GD. You enter it into menu setup, exchange, then you select where it's showing none, then you click on select, you set a lock. This lock is the one which you will use when you reach on where there is lock and you never knew it. You put any random lock which you will keep on putting in. 9586, like of my preference. 9586, you click on continue. Now from here you go back. You go back to 18 again, start afresh. Click back until you reach where it shows setup. You don't need it, you go back, click cancel. Yo. You click back. You click back. So click on start again, skip on the Wi-Fi. Here when you skip on the data, apps and data, then you put in the password which you had pressed into before. You skip on the Wi-Fi, you don't need it because it has already been bypassed. You can see the lock icon on top, it has been already removed. You accept terms and conditions of Gmail account, you click on skip for the password of this phone, then you wait for it. Now here you agree, you select the country where you are located, like you run a new phone as usual. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more content.